How to turn off email notifications on Reddit. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Reddit emails in just a few steps. First, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your account. In my case, I'm already signed in. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom corner of the screen. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on your username under Account Settings to open your account preferences. Scroll down until you find Manage Emails and tap on it. Here you'll see different email notification options for your Reddit account. If you want to stop receiving all Reddit emails, scroll to the bottom and tap Unsubscribe from all emails. You can also turn off specific email notifications individually if you only want to stop certain types of emails. Once you've updated your preferences, Reddit will stop sending the email notifications you've disabled. If you don't see these options on your device, don't worry. Reddit occasionally updates its interface, so the settings may appear in a slightly different location depending on your app version. And that's how to turn off email notifications on Reddit. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Reddit tips, guides, and privacy tutorials.